Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down and removing all cables, safety first. Once done, open the shell and remove the cartridge connector assembly so you can see the PCB and pins. You want to identify dirt, corrosion, or bent contacts at the 72-pin connector and any bulging capacitors. Make sure to note where each screw came from and photograph cable routing for reassembly. This initial inspection saves time by telling you whether cleaning, contact replacement, or deeper PCB work is needed. Next, clean the cartridge contacts, edge connector, and PCB with 90% plus isopropyl and a non-abrasive brush. Let it fully dry. Once clean, reseat the 72-pin connector or install a replacement to restore solid contact. Then test booting with a verified working cart. If symptoms persist, probe the power rails. Confirm 5V and ground stability. Replace swollen electrolytic capacitors and any blown fuses because unstable power causes graphical glitches or failure to boot. Finally, repair broken traces and solder joints using a fine-tip iron. Clean flux residue so nothing shorts. Once repaired, reassemble the shell, tightening screws evenly to avoid warping, and reconnect cables as documented. You then run a verification sequence, test multiple cartridges, test controllers, and swap power supplies if problems persist. If the console still misbehaves, one key troubleshooting tip: isolate whether the fault follows cartridges, controllers, or power. This narrows the part to replace.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.